Step inside a world where the ordinary fades away and luxury becomes the standard. This isn't your typical five-star hotel experience. This is what $10,000 a night buys you. Not just a room, not just service, but an experience so rare, so customized, and so indulgent that it raises a simple yet powerful question. Is it truly worth it? The moment you walk into the lobby, you realize this isn't just luxury. It's curated elegance. The scent is exclusive, made just for this brand, lingering in the air like soft music. Staff don't just greet you, they anticipate you. Your name is known. Your preferences? Already accounted for. A cold towel, your favorite drink, and a concierge who doesn't ask what can I do for you, they already have. Now comes the key, not a plastic card. No, a crystal-engraved fob or even biometric access. You're re-escorted personally to your suite by a butler whose job is not to serve everyone. Just you. Once you step in, the world outside dissolves. Welcome to the $10,000 hotel room. The first thing you notice isn't just size, it's silence. It's not a whisper from the hallway. The suite is vast, often covering the entire top floor or penthouse. Floor 2 ceiling windows reveal a view that can't be described. City skylines from 70 floors up, tropical waters stretching to infinity, or snow-covered peaks glowing at golden hour. But it's not just about what you see, it's how you feel. It's elevated, removed from the ordinary, draped in peace. Everything inside is designed to impress without trying. The marble flooring is an imitation, it's hand-selected stone from Italy or Turkey. The lighting adapts to the time of day. The couch isn't just plush, it's custom upholstered in the finest European fabric. The dining area looks like it was designed for royalty. Every element from the art on the wall to the stitch on the curtain speaks one language: intention. The bedroom isn't just where you sleep, it's a sanctuary. The bed is engineered, not just luxurious. Memory foam, silk-lined pillows, temperature-regulating linens. The mattress alone could cost more than some used cars. Your sleep is optimized. Lighting dims with a whisper. Blackout shades respond to your voice. There's even an aromatherapy feature synced with your circadian rhythm. Then comes the bathroom, a spa in disguise. Double vanities crafted from onyx. A soaking tub with a view of the skyline. Rain showers with aromatherapy. Japanese smart toilets with more settings than a luxury car. Plush robes embroidered with your initials. Toiletries. Not basic, but full-size luxury products from brands like La Mer or Byredo. Every detail elevates something mundane, like brushing your teeth into an indulgence. A dedicated living space often includes a private bar filled with your preferred wines, spirits, and non-alcoholic indulgences. You'll find tech that disappears when not needed. Minus 100-inch hidden TVs, mirror screens, or voice-activated entertainment systems. Some rooms even include a grand piano, indoor fire feature, or private gym. You might also find something unexpected: a personal spa treatment room, walk-in wardrobe with its own vanity mirror that lights up when you approach, or even a terrace with a private plunge pool suspended above the city. Yes, some of these hotel rooms include their own pool, temperature-controlled, infinity-aged, surrounded by designer furniture that matches your mood. Room service? It's not room service anymore. It's private dining. It's prepared by a Michelin star chef who tailors the dish to your taste. You don't order from a menu. You describe what you're craving, they create it. Everything arrives on silver trays, perfectly plated, hot to the touch, or chilled to perfection. Even your water comes in a bottle flown in from a glacier or mineral spring. And let's not forget the service. A butler available 24/7, communicating via encrypted app or direct line. They'll run your bath, press your clothes, unpack your suitcase, or even arrange a surprise midnight celebration, complete with fireworks and a live violinist. If that's your thing, privacy is absolute. Staff are trained to vanish when not needed and appear at the exact second you want them. Some hotel rooms even take it further. Think private cinema inside your suite, a floating glass bedroom suspended above the sea, or a rotating bed that turns with the sunset. Think in-room art installations by globally recognized artists. Think welcome gifts that aren't chocolates, but custom jewelry, or rare bottles of wine with your name on them. One luxury is designed only for you. Security is equally elite. Private elevator access, guards discreetly stationed, biometric safes for your valuables. Some suites have full panic rooms or direct lines to embassies and private security teams. Discretion is non-negotiable. VIPs, billionaires, royals, they stay here for a reason. Because what you see is only half the story. Now here's the real question. Is a $10,000 hotel room worth it? If you're measuring just the room, no, probably not. But this isn't about price per square foot. It's about access. It's about entering a reality few will ever experience. A place where time slows down, stress dissolves, and every desire is met before you speak it. For celebrities, ultra-wealthy business moguls, or global elites, this isn't extravagance. It's normal. You're not just paying for a bed. You're paying for a feeling of power, of peace, of absolute detachment from chaos. You're paying for privacy, perfection, and moments that money can buy. And for those who can afford it, it's not about price. It's about presence. Being somewhere so special that it changes how you feel, how you think, and how you remember time. Because in the end, the question isn't whether it's worth $10,000 a night. The question is, what's the price of never forgetting where you were and how it made you feel? And in that case, maybe, just maybe, it's worth every cent.